Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We're out here at the Sawmill today, the Frontier OH27. To be more specific, modified, we're cutting this white pine. 20 inches, 18 inches. I'm making 3/4 inch by 7-inch boards. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get two 14-inch cants. I can out of this end because it's 20 inches, but that end's 18. I will be able to get... I could probably get two 7-inch cants, but they're going to be a lot of waning on some of the boards. This is for a customer. He wants 3/4 inch boards. They're going to be 7-inch by 3/4 inch. He wants as many as he can get out of those 9 big white pine logs you saw me haul in months and months ago. But we haven't warmed the mill up. Everything's set up. We're ready to go. I think our first cut is probably going to be at 18. I do have a belly here. Let's see if it even touches it. Probably won't. Then I'll drop down 3/4 inch flitches until I get to here, because he also is going to need stickers and things like that. All right, let's get this thing warmed up. All right, let's cut some boards. Go right to, how about 19? Okay. that went really well. We're gonna get another log on here. We're gonna do 2 today. About the same, little smaller than that other one. 17, 18, and this side's gonna be the smaller. 16 and a half, 16. So let's see if we can get a 12-inch cant, because I made 1x5s, 3/4 by 5s, and 3/4 by 7. So let's go up to 14. I should have known better. All right. No more problems. Dang, it broke at the weld. It broke at the weld. All right, out of those 2 logs, we got 33 3/4 by 7, nice boards, and 33 5-inch by 3/4. So 2 more of his logs to do. All right, guys, if you like this content, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment, interact. It helps with the algorithm, and lets YouTube know people are watching it, and helps the channel out. And share with a friend if you really find it interesting. Remember that setworks. That's the way to go now. I'm so glad I have that. Sure makes life easy on that mill. Unfortunately, we broke another band. We'll see what comes of it. Okay, take care. We'll see you guys.